Imagine this, you are in court waiting for judge to pronounce the verdict. But instead of a person, a screen lights up and says, judgment delivered by AI algorithm 2.0. Sounds like science fiction. Well, not anymore. Hi everyone, I'm Neelam Kejriwal, and in today's video by the Legal School, we are decoding the latest debate in legal world. Should Indian court use artificial intelligence in legal cases? And more importantly, what could possibly go wrong? Let's get into it. The Indian judiciary has over 5 crore pending cases. That's more than the population of Spain. Judges are overburdened, clerks are exhausted, and hearings drag on for years. So what's the solution? Enter artificial intelligence, a tool that promises speed, efficiency, and unbiased analysis. From case law research to summarizing judgments, AI is already making waves. But is this smart move or a slippery slope? Let's be clear. AI is already in courtroom, just not wearing a robe. Tools like Supace, which is Supreme Court Vidhik Anuvad software, helps judges analyze case files faster. Another tool, Suvas, helps translate judgments across language. Even chatbots are helping citizens understand legal procedure without needing a lawyer for every query. But here's a twist. While these tools assist judges, they don't make decisions yet. So what's the case for AI? First is faster judgments. AI can sift through thousands of cases in seconds. Second is better consistency. It reduces human bias and brings standardization. Third is translation and access to justice. Imagine a farmer in Bihar getting a translated order in seconds. Fourth one is saving for judges so they focus on hearing arguments, not hunting for the precedents. Basically, AI can be the ultimate intern, only faster, tireless, and it doesn't ask for chai breaks. Sounds perfect, right? Well, here comes the concerns, but they are real as well. First is black box problem. AI doesn't tell you why it reached a conclusion, and in law, reasoning matters more than results. Second is due process risk. If AI makes a recommendation, will a judge be presumed to agree or worse, ignore human factors? Third is bias in data. If old judgment had a caste or a gender bias and AI learns from them, we are just automating discrimination. Fourth problem that might come up is accountability. If AI gets it wrong, who takes responsibility? The judge, the coder, or the chat box? Plus, law isn't math. It's messy, human, and emotional. AI doesn't do gut feeling or courtroom drama yet. In 2023, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud launched Supace and clarified this is not to replace judges, it's a tool for better decision making. Supreme Court is cautious in using AI only in assistive roles, not for delivering judgments. In fact, most senior judges agree that human reasoning is irreplaceable in law. So for now, AI is more like Jethalal's Baga, a helpful assistant but not in charge of the show. Let's be honest, AI is here to stay. It can help judges work faster, lawyers prepare better, and citizens access justice more easily. But using AI to decide cases, that's where the line needs to be drawn. AI can assist justice, but it cannot deliver justice. At least not until it learns empathy, ethics, and how to object in court without crashing. So what do you think? Should AI help judges with research and drafting, or should it stay far, far away from verdicts? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you want more updates on legal tech. Subscribe to the Legal School for more fun take on serious law topics, and remember, justice must be delivered, not downloaded. See you next time.